everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to make your BeReal account private. So for that, open the BeReal application first. You are at the home page of BeReal. Now to make your account private, what you have to do is post a BeReal and you need to prepare a snap. You click that. Now click a picture. Now this will be your BeReal snap for today. You tap on the next. From here you will be able to make your snap private. It's not like you are making your account private, but you will be making your snap to be posted on BeReal be private, and you can only share it to your friends from here. If you tap on my friends only. If you tap on everyone on BeReal will be able to see your snaps publicly. So this is the only way how you can make it private. You can add caption or any other hashtag if you want in this post as well. So this is the only way to make your BeReal private. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.